True, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today, we are watching Te Waka Huia. Yes, that's what we're on today. At the moment, we're still waiting for Manakuratai until that sort of, sorts itself out so I can record my reactions, That would be very much appreciated. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. Did you skip the Waiatatira? How about you shut up, eh? You make your own YouTube channel, you make your own TikTok videos, and then you do this yourself. And then you can watch the Tita for yourself. Okay, shut up. I'm just saying, bro. Ooh. Uh. Ah. Oh my days. What? That drum G. I love that. I hope that's not too loud. Sorry. If that's too loud. Sorry. Oh, it's... Look at him, man. I like Jed's over here too. Wow, he's got a mean style. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. You know when you watch a bracket G and you're just there like you know what I mean? Like you want to be like that, G? That's what's happening, G. There's something inside of me, G. There's something like there, you know? You know, yeah, you know. Time for the part everyone loves, the more tia tia. That was supposed to be a joke. You can laugh. Yeah. I said laugh. I said laugh. There we go. There we go. Hey. Cousin. Cousin. Holy moly. Look at the facials, cousin. Everyone full beaming and just going hard, bro. Bro, this raw poo is just too much. Te Waka Huia. Oh my gosh. Can we run that back, please? Can we please? Of course we can run that back. No, I'm the one in charge. I enjoyed that. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Yeah. But that was actually tough as. This is just too good, bro. Can you not feel that vibe, G? If you're watching this and you're not vibing, G, I should slap you. Actual. Oh my gosh. Bro, banger after banger after banger, G. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. Take me away. Take me. Oh my days. Oh my days. What the Ooh. That's La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Oh my gosh. Mm-mm. Oh my days. Oh my days. Mhm, 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 mhm. Cuz you gotta love a ropu like this, bro. I'm speechless, bro. What the hell, G? Let's go. Yeah. 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 Watch this fella, and this fella. Thank me later. Yeah. Oh my. Look at his full beams cast. Ah. Ah. Oh. Wow, this guy Tatsuki is shining, G. Humble as too. He's not trying to take the show. It just happens to fall upon his lap. Far out. Kazi. Waka Huia is tough. That's all I'm gonna say is Waka Huia is tough. My microphone went flat, as you probably can see during the video, but all I have to say about their performance, G, honest to who, these fellas are probably the G'est of the G's. Waka Huia, user tough. Out of everything, my favorite item would have to be the haka. That haka was perfect for me. Anyway, for me, a good haka is just a lot of diversity. People are different, okay? And my logic behind this is, why are you copying the bro if your personality traits don't even suit what the bro's trying to, portray? It's a bit deep, but that's just the myth. I love seeing everybody put in their own little style to a haka, For me, that's what makes a good haka. That haka was perfect for me. Other than that, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because I know you like this video. I know you want to comment, and I know you want to subscribe, because this is just GS. Other than that, until next time. Ciao.